What a beautiful day it is.
Yeah, do you know, kings in the olden days, they used to have peacocks in their gardens.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Can we have a peacock in our garden? Wow, we got one.
Do you want to know how we made this?
Yes, sure.
Let's do it. So here we are with all our supplies.
Yes.
A pencil,
Yep, check,
a glue,
check,
scissors, and 2 shades of paper. So we are making peacocks, so there should be 2 shades which are blue and green. And there should be one more paper which can be of any color. Okay, so we'll start with a very simple step.
Yes.
We'll fold it in the green piece into half, then open it
Okay.
and put it in the landscape position. Okay, and make a fan. Arika, do you know how to make a fan?
I know how to make beautiful fan.
Okay, so we'll fast forward this, and this is how we make fan. So here is our fan, and oh Arika, you did it so well, very nice. So you can open it like this.
Okay.
Now what we are going to do is we'll make this would be peacock's wings, right?
Oh,
How he dances, it will be like this, it should be like this, and we'll make, but before that we'll make some patterns over here. So we'll make it like a droplet, like this. Yes, very nice, Arika.
Thank you.
Like this. The same thing we'll be doing over here, but we'll rotate it like this, and then we'll make it tiny droplets like that. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So these are the droplets, and now it's time to color. So I'll color it with a blue pen, and I'll not color the whole droplet. I'll color only half of it like this to give it a shade.
Yeah.
So here is the pattern, and we'll be doing a staple over here right in the middle. Now it's secure. So here is our peacock wing ready, looking beautiful, and we'll keep this aside, and we'll take our blue paper.
Bye, peacock wings.
So now we'll take the blue sheet and we'll make the peacock, the body of the peacock. So here is our structure of peacock's body is ready. Looks like a dinosaur, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But okay. Now take a small piece of same paper, and there's you have to make a crown, and that's the tip.
Crown?
Yeah, a crown. So peacock has a crown. So
Wow.
there's a tip. Always keep a small piece of paper on top of it so that you know what the size should be. So it starts from a very thin part like this, and it fans out like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll put another piece of crown, tip of the crown, we'll make it like a diamond or something. Now we'll take a little golden piece. Now we'll stick the crown
Okay.
like this. So pretty. Now we have to make the beak.
beak of it.
Yeah. So we are going to make one more set of wings, which we'll be sticking over here. It will be fanning out like this. So we need the measurement of the peacock you have made, just a little bit of it, not much, just how big it is. So now our two sets of wings are ready, and now nothing is left except assembling it. Take your wings.
Yeah.
Okay, take your peacock, the body of the peacock.
The baby.
Yes, and you have to put in the middle of it, on the middle.
Right.
There you go. With a wing spread like this. I will stick my wings to it. So these wings, flex it, put glue at the end, at the rounder part,
This is all I can do.
and put the rounder part over here. And there your peacock is
Ready.
to dance. So here is our peacocks,
Yeah.
lots of them,
Yeah.
so beautiful.
If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel.